Myself, Dr. Lohote PK, Director of Physical Education, Mahatma Phule College, Pimpri. Now, today we learn about meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is an art with the help of which one can learn the skill to make and calm. Meditation is nothing but knowing yourself, your soul, your mind, and your body. It helps you to build connection between your mind, body, and soul. While doing meditation, one does not have to do anything. One has just sit and concentrate on something. It may be a word, a mantra, a sound, or anything placed in front of you. Meditation helps you to know yourself better. It purifies your soul and helps your mind to develop. Meditation is forgetting yourself and understanding your sense. Meditation is purely an art by which one controls our emotion. Many studies indicate that during meditation, our human body reaches state of deep rest. Simultaneously, our brain also becomes highly alert but also is resting. It is found that person who practice meditation develop his inner strength to fight any stressful moment. Then next is how to start meditation. Before starting the meditation session, we have to do something warming up exercise here, like Surya Namaskar, Sevasana, prayer, deep breathe, Surya Bhedan Pranayam, and Tratak. Remind you before start the meditation, you have to do this exercise. Surya Namaskar at least 3 to 4 repetition. Then Sevasana, you have at least 3 to 4 minutes do Sevasana. Now next exercise is prayer. Which is prayer you like? We have to do 1 to 2 minutes. Now deep breathing exercise. You have to do 3 to 4 minutes deep breathing exercise. Then go to next exercise is Surya Bhedan Pranayam. You have to do 3 to 4 minutes Surya Bhedan Pranayam. Then last exercise is Tratak. You have choose some object, concentrate on them at least 3 to 4 minutes. Now start your meditation. Now our main session is how to do meditation. This is our main part. We will start meditation with step by step with music. First of all, you sit right but relax. Your back is straight. Your spine is also erect. Then you are comfortable and free from thought and pain. Simple breathing. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Concentrate on your nose, eyes, ears, your tongue and your skin. Feel them. Your nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin. Now concentrate a beautiful picture. Feel them. Feel them, this beautiful picture. It is very nice. When I see this picture, I am really happy. Feel this picture. Then taste your smell, which is you like. It is very nice smell. Feel this. Feel this smell. Feel this smell. Then you feel cold water. You touch the cold water and feel this water. Feel this water. Now listen your favorite music. Which is you like? Feel this music. It is very nice music. When listen this music, I am very happy. Feel this music. Feel this music. Now taste your favorite food. Which is you like? It is very amazing, very tasty food. I like so much. I am so happy when it tastes it. Very nice. Then go to Savasana. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Your body will be relaxed. Your mind will be relaxed. Remove your negative thoughts. Everything is fine. Everything is happy. Everything is safe. Everything is happy. Turn your right side. Again, sit your meditation posture. Sit straight but relax. Your back is also straight. Concentrate on your breathing. Take a deep breathing. Relax your mind. Concentrate on music. Slowly relax. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. I feel you are so relaxed here and you have understand so much about meditation, how to do meditation with step by step. Now we go to the next section. It is benefit of meditation. There is a number of benefit of meditation. Reduce your negative emotion, improve your focus, reduce your stress and anxiety level, anger management, improve your concentration, increase positive attitude. It is number of benefits. I think you understand so much regarding meditation and I think you enjoy this video. If you like this video, share it. Thank you.